Welcome back friends. And in your Android phone, if you are facing restarting problem, means your phone is restarting itself, keeping restarted again and again. There may be two methods by which your phone is restarting. Means it is restarting, and after 3 minutes, after 10 minutes it is restarting again. It is shutting down and starting, it is shutting down and starting, or it is stuck into a loop. Just starts, stop, starts, shut down. So in that case, I'm going to tell you 6-7 methods by which you can solve this problem before going to repair shop. If these methods are not solving, then only you seek professional help. So please watch this video patiently till the end. First I will tell you why this annoying things is happening. Means there are many various reasons for any Android phone that keeps rebooting again and again. Some is full storage and heavy application cache. Means your phone is loaded and only 5-6%, less than 10% space is empty. Or bad applications, you have probably installed some bad app in recent times, or an low battery and your battery is gone bad and it is restarting your phone, rebooting your phone again and again, or an outdated OS version or outdated apps, or this stuck power button. Sometimes a bad cover, due to a bad cover, your phone has been stuck, and your phone, not your phone, your power button of your phone has been stuck. So things like phone cases, external accessories and screen protectors can also make the power button stuck and letting your Android phone keep rebooting over and over again. Or your phone has been overheated, you left your phone in your car, your phone is overheated and it is starting rebooting again and again. So in that case, there is a lot of things to do if you are still managing to do something in your phone. If it is in a loop, you cannot do anything. Just see that power button is stuck or not, or just try one or two things which I will tell you. If you are, there are some methods which, there are some things you have to see in the phone, but if your phone is stuck in a loop, you cannot see. But in the first, what I tell you, if you are able to manage something, it is restarting in 10 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, then you can do that also. First, forced restart your phone means, very first thing, just remove the cover and see the buttons are stuck or not. So I will remove the cover. So cover has been removed, and then check for this power button, it is stuck or not. If it is not stuck, then it is okay. If it is stuck, just remove it and see your problem has been solved or not. After that, force restart your mobile. This is valid in both the cases. Your phone is rebooting in 3-5 minutes, or your phone is in continuous rebooting mode. Just press the power off button and minus button simultaneously. What will happen? See, first this will come and after that it will reboot. So it is now rebooting, and once your phone has started fully, then observe that any rebooting phenomena is happening or not. If it is not happening, then it is okay. If it is opening, then wait for, I will wait till the phone will start fully. I will come back then. So it has started, now it is on, the phone is starting, and now just free up the, if you have time, then check the memory. If your memory is less than 10% free, then please delete the bigger pictures, media files from your phone, and then keep a watch that your phone is rebooting or not. If it is rebooting, then the third one, turn off auto start. This is a Samsung mobile, I will tell you this. In this, just go to the setting, go to the general management, search for the reset, and here auto restart at set times, just turn it off, and after that see your phone is rebooting or not. If it is still rebooting, then boot your phone into the safe mode. How? Just keep it pressed your phone for some time, keep it pressed power off button and then safe mode. As soon as you will touch here, your phone will start. I will not go into the safe mode. Your phone will go into the safe mode, and if in safe mode it is not restarting, means you have installed some unwanted third-party app in the recent time. Just go into the normal mode by pressing this power off button again, and then in normal mode just identify and uninstall those unwanted bad apps. If your phone is now okay, then it is very good. Otherwise, I will suggest you to wipe the cache partition of your mobile. I will show you in Samsung. You can Google it for your phone model. So what, first turn it off your phone, power off. As soon as it is off, just press power off button and plus key simultaneously for some seconds, and your phone will go into the recovery mode. Wait for some time. Yes, now it will go into the recovery mode. Yes, it has entered in the recovery mode, and from here you can go below wipe data, not wipe cache partition. Here you can just select this, and what it is saying, it is saying wipe cache, it cannot be undone, so you should be careful. I am doing it. Yes, now reboot system now. Okay, now your phone will be rebooted, and observe that this problem is coming or not. I will come when the phone will go into the normal mode. So your phone has been started, my phone has been started. Now we will go to the normal mode, and if your problem is solved, then it is okay. If it is still not solved, then one last thing, just update your software. See your software is fully updated or not. Go to the settings, go below software updated. If your phone has been updated, then it is okay. If it is not updated, check for software update and install the latest version. My software is up to date, and after that just restart your phone forcibly, and after that if you are facing problem, then go to the repair shop for seeking professional help. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel and share it. That's all. Thank you very much.